Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Kana gari kitanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chukua garo subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi mure Zimbabwe takugira inyabuditswa ni Zim Live ya buda. Chara iyo ichiri the ex-general Rugeje hanzi Vabatanidzirwa papa wanga vari mubhawa hanzi papinda ma-CIO achihanta for human rights activists. So zviri kunzi paitika zvinhu izvi the ex-army general Rugeje vanga vari mubhawa vachizvimwira doro ravo pakapinda ma-CIO vanga akabata ma-AK-47 achitsvaga one of ma-patrons. So zviri kunzi pane ma-operatives apinda vanhu vari mubhawa akasvika achidemanda the whereabouts of a top human rights activists uyo anova a regular patron at the facility iyoyo. So retired Lieutenant General Engelbert Rugeje vari kunzi he was one of vanhu vanga varipo hanzi papinda 15 ma-aggressive agents anga arimo hanzi ari kubhilivwa kunzi they are from the Central Intelligence Organization anga achidriver an unmarked Toyota Fortuner vehicle. Hanzi vasvika vakaharasa the bar staff at Sherwood Golf Club hanzi vachishauta vachitsvaga kwakuna big bomber where ari kunzi is a human rights activist. Zviri kunzi they looted my expensive whiskey anga ari mubhawa mure Zimbabwe kuMelbourne suburb. Bomber ari kunzi he is the programs director for the Trust Africa, a governance advocates organization UN headquarters kuDakar Senegal. So zviri kunzi vaGeneral Rugeje ndo vazofonera mapurisa after varume ava vabva. So the police hanzi auya ikarekoda a statement at the golf course. Vamunangiraga kuti kwatiri kuita vakadeploya mapolice nema soldiers mure Zimbabwe kuma-high density suburbs muHarare nemuBulawayo. Shinza panaomira mushe vari kuchikira ma-protests anogona kungoitika during the SADC Year of State Summit in Harare iri kuitwa muna 17. kuBulawayo kunzi masoja vakona kwachijoga kumasiye pambele drive mure Zimbabwe. muHarare mucapital city mapurisa nemasoldiers ari kunzi akaonekwa akapfeka military gear mure Zimbabwe achipatrola mumastreets. Tingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi zvakare kuri kunzi pane ma-roadblocks amountwa across the country. Ari kunzi the regular police officers vanenge vari shadowed by the military officers. Kutaura kwatiri kuita the police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati vari kubuda chauraya vachiti ma-deployments aya they are very normal mure Zimbabwe. Tingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi kutaura kwatiri kuita over 120 government critics vakasungwa mure Zimbabwe. Zvina kumira mushe the South Africa's ruling coalition party, the Democratic Alliance, yakabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti SADC should move the summit from Zimbabwe in response to brutal clampdowns ari kuitwa naMnangagwa on ma-rivals ake. So Zim Live yakabuda chirekoda nyaya yaGeneral Engelbert Rugeje vachitaura ivo vachiti days before a summit of regional leaders, President Emerson Mnangagwa's shock troops armed with AK-47s stormed a bar with a retired top general and ZANU-PF Politburo member was drinking on Wednesday. Zim Live can reveal. The operatives demanded to know the whereabouts of a top rights activist who is a regular patron at the facility. Retired Lieutenant General Engelbert Rugeje watched in apparent shock as up to 15 aggressive agents believed to be from the Central Intelligence Organization and driving in unmarked Toyota Fortuner vehicles harassed bar staff at Sherwood Golf Club while shouting, "Where is Big Bomber?" They looted the bar clean of expensive whiskey as they left the leisure center in Harare's Melbourne suburb, a witness said. Bomber is a programs director for Trust Africa, a good governance advocacy organization headquartered in Dakar, Senegal. It was General Rugeje, a source said, who called the police after the men had left. Police recorded a statement from the general and staff at the golf course. And Mnangagwa has deployed police, soldiers, spooks, and even prison officers into high-density suburbs in Harare and in Bulawayo in a show of force to suppress feared protests during a SADC Heads of State Summit in Harare on August 17. In Bulawayo, soldiers jogged in Masia Pambili Drive, which almost forms a ring around the city as it goes through several neighborhoods. In the capital Harare, police and soldiers put their military gear and show how they patrolled city streets together, including making forays into crowded high-density neighborhoods. Roadblocks have been mounted across the country where regular police officers are shadowed by military police. Spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati maintained that deployments were normal. And over 120 government critics are being held without bail in prisons, and as Mnangagwa's government moves to threatened protests over the last year's controversial elections, which his rivals say he rigged. South Africa's ruling coalition party, the Democratic Alliance, has called on SADC to move the summit from Zimbabwe in response to Mnangagwa's brutal clampdown on rivals. This remains unlikely. Zimbabwe will assume the rotating chairmanship of SADC at the summit. Ndozabuda zvitaurwa neZim Live muri Zimbabwe. Tinazotinoona sei nyaya itudzo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.